Well, hi everybody, Ray Wood here for Jiggler, and today I'm going to show you how to customize or create your own copy of Above Market Value, or so it becomes a book that you can send out with compliments. And you won't be sending the PDF file because that's too big. We'll be sending you a link if you follow these instructions. I'll show you exactly what you need to do. Okay, so for the purpose of this exercise today with your book Above Market Value, I'm going to show you how to customize your own copy of the book. I'm going to show you how to save it, which is very important. I'm going to show you how to let us know so we can host your ebook and send you back a link. That's going to take us around about 48 hours. Sometimes it's faster. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into your dashboard here, and you're going to click Book up at the top, and you're going to click this one here, which is the book. And you're going to click the first thing you're going to do. So the whole PDF comes up, okay? The only pages you can edit are subpage 1 and subpage 21. I'll show you that in a sec. The first step you want to do now is save it. I want to save it to my Jiggles, and you're going to call it Jerry's ebook, or whatever your name may be. Okay, so you're going to save that. Then you're going to jump into, the first thing you're going to do is jump into subpage 1 here. There's only 2 pages you can edit, this one. And you're going to upload your photo, put in your logo, your information. Make sure you keep everything justified left. I wouldn't stick your logos up on the right. Oh, where's Buddy gone? I wouldn't stick your logos up here, etc. I'd just keep everything kind of localized here. So the mission is here for you to be the hero because you're the one who's offering the copy of the book. So when you scroll up here, you'll notice that this horizontal slide bar comes up. So that I just click and press that, and then I go over here to subpage 21. I'm clicking on that. This is only the second page that you can edit inside your book, and there's the same thing again. Okay, so subpage 1 and subpage 21, and you access both just by moving that slide bar. So you, at this point, you have saved your document. You've set it all up, you've customized it, and you've saved it into My Jiggles as Jerry's ebook. Okay, so the next stage is how we set up your link, and that's really, really simple. All you need to do is send us an email. So send an email to support@jiggler.com. Use your name, so we just did Jerry's ebook in the subject line. So your subject line would read your first name, ebook. Then in your email, tell us the email address for your Jiggler account. What's the email address you set up your account under? So we will then, our support team will then access your account, grab the PDF, upload it to our hosting facility, and send you back a link. So all you need to do anytime you want to send your book out is simply send a link. So it's that easy, hey? Nothing to be afraid of there. All very, very easy. Of course, email me, ray@jiggler.com. If you'd like a slideshow, if you'd like a screen share presentation, or you want a demo, or you want to upgrade to a team account or whatever, let me know. I am here to help. Dream big, take names, and have a great day in real estate. Bye-bye.